These are the B-post quarter panels for the TR4A, TR5, TR250 and the TR6 models. The TR6 varied in their style. As you can see, you get the lots of lines, weld lines there versus the two lines. Obviously the piping on the TR6s is always the same colour of the main trim. So these blue ones here are strictly speaking TR4A, TR5, TR250, whereas these ones here are the TR6s, but only the post 1970 versions of them, so CP and CC above 50,000. The actual panel itself over here is hardboard. They're exactly the same as one another, cut on our CNC machine. They're made generic, so they'll fit all the different cars basically. So it's you have all the relevant fixing holes as well as holes for the hood frame mechanisms and things like that. So all of the different holes for the different models are on there. They are then supplied in leather or in vinyl. We've got vinyl here, leather here. They are then embossed on our high frequency in-house HF welding machine, so it actually bonds the pattern on there, as you can see, like this. They are then trimmed round. We leave loose flaps at the bottom intentionally so that you can get the best fit. It can basically sit down onto the floor like that and get covered over so it all flows in. Same again at this end here, so it can gently curve around. It bends nicely, as you can see, so it curves around, meets the bulkhead, and then you tuck that behind the bulkhead to get a nice finish. The piping changes between the cars as well, so obviously white piping for the TR4A, 5, 250 models, whereas same colour as the main trim for the TR6s. Also the position of where the piping ends also changed. So the TR5 and TR6s ended just here, whereas the TR4As went round the corner. We actually tend to, on the TR5 models and 250 models, go around the corner as well because it looks neater, although originally it did stop there, whereas all the TR6s did stop there originally, and we keep it like that. It's all to do with the way the back of the car was set up originally. So you get a pair of those per car.